what happened to you, little guy? It's like you lost an arm. He's a soldier though. He's still hanging in there with us, guys. Good thoughts and prayers for a speedy recovery. Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and the other day I did an unboxing video of the Ronin-S by DJI. What I didn't do is show you guys how to set this thing up. I want to take a moment, run through the different elements that come in the box, kind of like the very first tutorial I've ever done in my life. This is obviously the mount. It does look similar, and there's some rumor about this being compatible with Manfrotto. This is of course the stand, and it also folds up and it's used as a handle to give you some extra grip and leverage because you're gonna need it. This guy's heavy. This is our little carrying case. In here are your camera connector cords. USB-C, the multi-port cord, the infrared cord right here. Another mount probably for a smaller type of camera, which by the way, over here I have my A7R III. We're gonna use that to set it up because this is my heavier one. And you're watching me on the A6500. And now we've got this little guy, which is designed to hold your lens, and this little guy, which is designed to slide in there to secure this in place. And I have the Pixel 2 XL over here because I might get some close-up footage. Let's start with the base. This guy here twists. So obviously the controls on the back here, these are facing you. So you slide that in towards you, and then this guy locks into place pretty good. Now this is what I personally had some trouble with. This screws into the bottom, and after you have it screwed in, the screw just gently sits and rests right there. You see that end right there with the hole? That is the one that faces forward. This is kind of where it gets a little tricky. This part here slides up and down. This guy slides back and forth. And this guy up here slides in and out. They all have their own little stops. Obviously, nothing is going to fit on there. So I know I'm gonna come over here and raise this up a little bit. And I'm just gonna tighten it just to bring it up so it's no longer dragging. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one here. Now it's kind of standing upward all on its own, but that's obviously not how we use it. We use it like this. This is how we start. We take this, slide it backwards. The one on the back here, you put that in there, and that locks the bottom one from sliding. This part here locks the camera from moving. All right, so there it is. We can obviously see from the beginning, this doesn't work. We're gonna undo this, and we're gonna give it some more leverage. Oh, that's like perfect. For now, I'm gonna turn it, lock it in. What needs to be done is this has to go forward or back a little bit. So we gotta slide this back, go about halfway. That's her right there. This is her happy place. Whoo, happy dance. We gotta get this little guy to go right here to cradle this with this screw in there holding it. Right, the whole function of it is if you turn your camera, it holds it in place and still allows it to slide. You wanna push this button, make sure that all of the green lights are lit up. You're gonna come over here, the power button's right there. You're gonna push and hold it till you hear the beep. Set to record. Here we go, we're going around the world. We're in nice fluid motion. Hit it twice and we go back to home base. 1, 2. We're gonna hit it 3 times and we're gonna go into like selfie mode. 1, 2, 3. Bam! This is what it does. When you come over here, you take these down, you push it out, and as you can see, here we are in action. Now if we want to go ahead and go up to our little Android buddy, I was gonna say Android stud. There we go. This is it. DJI Ronin-S. This is how we set it up. I, for one, will be using this in almost every video going forward. Don't forget to tune in to Hardwired Live with me and Leo, the Android stud, every Thursday for the rest of this month at 7:30 p.m. During that live event, you're going to be entered into an exclusive giveaway. Our next giveaway is going to be sometime in October. If you want to get involved and you want to start gaining entries to the giveaway right now, today's your chance. Go into the comments, type out in Roman numerals 7027 dash and leave me a comment and tell me what accessory would you use most for your camera if you had one? And if you don't have a camera, what kind of camera would you like? Just let me know. That will get you an additional entry into the giveaway. If you want to gain another entry into the giveaway, share this video on social media, take a screenshot, send me an email to Aaron, A-R-O-N, at 4, theloveoftech.com. Multiple screenshots, one email. I'll count them all up and tally them up right before the giveaway in October. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed my very first tutorial on how to set something up. I hope you find this useful. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go behind your bed, find those old lost electronics, dust them off, shine them up, charge them up, and give them to someone that would actually enjoy them other than you, who's just letting it collect dust going to waste. For the love of tech, namaste.